Very good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss chapter number 16 of class 8, and in our today class we will discuss multiple images. We know that when you stand in front of a plane mirror, you can see your image in this mirror, or when you do some things in this mirror, your image is also doing some things. But what will happen if you place two mirror in a combination by a certain angle, then how many images they form? So if you place two mirror with a certain angle, they form many images. This is known as multiple image, and the reason of these multiple images, that is because of multiple reflection of lights. So now we are going to discuss how these multiple images are formed and the formula that is used to find out the multiple images of an object. So let us see this formula to find out of multiple images. Number one, that is number of images is equal to 360 upon theta minus 1. This formula is applicable when the theta is an even number. Theta is an even number. Second is the multiple of images is represented by n is equal to 360 upon theta. This formula is applicable when theta is an odd number. We can take example. If two mirrors are placed in contact such that they form 120-degree angle, find out the number of images they produce at or form. So here the formula is number of images is equal to 360 upon theta minus 1, because here the number is even number. So we have to apply the first formula. So n is equal to 360 upon 120. So 360 divided by 120, 0 to 0, and 12 3 is 36. So the number of images is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So total images formed by that is 2. So n is equal to 2. So if two plane mirrors are placed by contact and they form 120-degree angle, in such condition the number of images are formed, that is 2. Now you can take another example, that is if it is 90 degree. If it is 90 degree in case of the angle that is 90 degree, in such condition again they apply the formula, that is 360, n is equal to 360 upon 90 minus 1, again it is even number, that is minus 1. So 0 to 0, and n is equal to 4 minus 1. So n is equal to 3 images. So if two plane mirrors are placed with the 90-degree angle, in such case the number of images formed by them, that is 3 images. Actually you can see how it is take place. Suppose this is the mirror that is formed by the 90 degree, and this is the object. So suppose this ray is coming from and falls on the object and then return back, and this is go like this. This can be also this second one is go and this return back. So one image you can see, this is also go like that, and this image is seen. In such case you can see 3 images. So with the help of this formula we can find out the number of images, and this formula is very useful to find out the number of images. We will also learn about how these type of the images are seen in a different angles, whether they are formed in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.